Hi everybody, so today we're going to be learning how to basically do division with multiples. Now what this means is you're going to learn how to divide normally, but in your head, and it's going to just save you time because these numbers are bigger numbers that, normally if you wanted to write out the whole thing, it would take you much longer. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it with an example. Alright, let's do 3,926 divided by 13. Now, I think you have to notice if there's a pattern in this question. And for this first example, I'm going to point the pattern out. But going on, I want you guys to see this before I point it out, all right? So we see that there is a 39. Oh, my bad. There's a 39 and there is a 26. Yeah, we see that. And we also know that 39 and 26 are both divisible by 13. So if we were to use that logic and say 39 divided by 13 is equal to 3, and 26 divided by 13 is equal to 2, that's our question. And a lot of people may think that the answer is going to be 32, but that is not right, and let me tell you why. So since 26 here is a two-digit number, your answer can't be a one-digit number. So you need to put a 0 in front of it. And the same goes for 39, but since it's like 302 and 0302 mean the same thing, so that's why we're not going to tell you to put a 0 in front of the 3, but that's why you have to put a 0 in front of the 2, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the first question. I'm just going to move on to another example, and as I keep going, it should start to make sense if it hasn't already. Let's do 2,442 divided by 13. And so you see that same pattern, or you should, 24 and 42. And I am so sorry, you guys. This was my mistake. It's divided by 6, not 13. I was thinking of our last question. I got confused. But this is the example right here. 2,442 divided by 6. And we know that 24 and 42 are both divisible by 6. So I'll write it out just one more time. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. 42 divided by 6 is 7. But our answer is not going to be 47. It's going to be 407, because since 42 is a two-digit number, your answer also has to be 2 digits, and 7 is only 1 digit, so that's why we put a 0 in front of it to make it 2 digits. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one last example. Let's do 3,434 divided by 17. Now I want you guys to pause this video right here and try to solve it on your own. Alright? And then I'll go through all the steps and we can compare our answers at the end. So go ahead and pause. Alright, so let's see if you guys got the same answer as me. We're going to start off with the steps. 34 divided by 17 is 2. And then once again, 34 divided by 17 is 2. And honestly, you guys should be able to do this in your head. I am just working all the steps out in front of you in case you guys need some extra practice. Alright, but as you guys practice and time progresses, you should definitely be able to do this in your head. But yeah, and so the answer is not 22, but since these are both two-digit numbers, the answer is 202. Yeah. So yeah, that is how to divide with multiples in your head, really. Like I said before, with practice, you're going to be able to do this in your head. And yeah, so I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if any of this was helpful or if you have any suggestions or questions. All right, bye guys.